In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Honkai Star Rail account vertical bar full tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to the email or mobile number linked to your account, because you'll need a verification code to complete this process. Start by opening a web browser and going to the official HoYoverse account portal for Honkai Star Rail. This is where all your account settings live. Once you're there, log in using the same method you use for the game, whether that's your email, mobile, or a linked third-party login. Double check that you're signing into the correct account to avoid making changes to the wrong profile. After logging in, look for your profile icon or name, usually at the top right of the page, and click it. From the menu that appears, choose the HoYoverse account option to open your account center. Here, select Personal Information. This section lets you review your account details and is also a pathway to the security tools you'll need next. Next, go to the security area of your account center and find the option labeled Request to Delete Account. For Honkai Star Rail, this is the route used to remove your account and unlink it from connected services. Keep in mind that requesting deletion can affect your game data. In many regions, there's a cooling off period before permanent deletion, but policies can vary, so read the on-screen notes carefully. When you're ready, click Send to request a verification code. A quick tip: keep the page open and check your inbox or messages right away so the code doesn't expire. You'll be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA. Go ahead and finish that to prove you're not a bot. When the CAPTCHA confirms, click OK to proceed. Now, retrieve the verification code that was sent to your bound email or phone. Enter that code exactly as it appears. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox, check spam or junk, and be sure you're checking the contact method currently bound to the account. After entering the code, click Next to submit your request. That's it. You've initiated the unlinking process via account deletion. Watch for follow-up messages from HoYoverse confirming the request and any waiting period. If you only wanted to unbind a third-party login without deleting your data, check the account binding settings in the same security area or contact official support for alternatives. Never share your codes with anyone, and keep a record of your receipts or top-ups just in case you need them later. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each step to ensure everything goes smoothly.